Are you managing a construction or solar project and struggling to stay on top of progress? Are you unsure where to start with professional inspection and monitoring services? Don't fret, we got you covered. We are Aerial Innovators, your solution to efficient, high-tech project oversight. Imagine having a bird's-eye view of your project, capturing every detail in real time. With Aerial Innovators, that's exactly what you get. Our services deliver high-definition imagery and video, providing the crucial insights you need to make smarter, faster decisions. From monitoring milestones to detecting hidden inefficiencies, our solutions transform how you manage your projects. Got a solar panel hotspot or a structural weakness? Our thermal and radiometric experts, with the help of our advanced technology, catch issues invisible to the naked eye, saving you from costly repairs and downtime. But we don't stop at capturing images. We deliver detailed reports and high-res visuals that make decision-making a breeze. No more waiting for manual inspections or second-guessing your data. Every project has its hurdles: tight deadlines, unexpected delays, compliance headaches. Our professional services give you a clear, unbiased perspective, helping you track progress, assess risk, and ensure quality from every angle. At Aerial Innovators, we turn visual information into actionable insights. Our team partners with yours, interpreting data to optimize your operations and make data-driven decisions. We aim to simplify inspections, stay ahead of the curve, and elevate your project management. Contact Aerial Innovators today and see how our aerial services can streamline your operations and improve outcomes. Ready to revolutionize your project management? Let's get started.